Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna prepare grizzly fish with eggplant. First I have cleaned the fish. Actually this grizzly fish we call Indian SALMOL. So I'm gonna prepare in Bengali style today. So first I have to put half spoon of turmeric powder, not half, 1/3 of turmeric powder, then Kashmiri chili powder, also put some mustard oil, then 1/3 portion of the spoon I have added salt. Then after added the salt, marinate it properly. So marinade is complete. So after marinade I have to keep in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Then again I have made a pieces slices of eggplant, then marinate it same like as I did it for the fish. So this also I have to keep for around 10 minutes. That is fish fry. The fish fry should be medium fried, not fully fried. Okay, remember it. So this is exactly what I want, a medium fish fry. Thereafter is the time for eggplant fry. So now I am frying the eggplant which I have already marinated before. So yeah, it's already ready. It's time for final cooking. Now put some piece of black jeera, then after then next put the turmeric paste which I made. Do this for a couple of seconds. Make the color should be a little bit darker rather than yellowish. So now put some water. Yeah, that's it. Well, now put all the fishes which I fried already. Next put the eggplant which I have already fried. Oh, it's too hot, man. Cook it for 5 minutes. So yeah, finally I have completed.